here for 35 minutes. My friends are inside. Let me in. Why can't I come in?
You're being a brat.
I'm not being a brat. I'm gonna come in and have a good night. Let me in. Please. I'm not being a brat. You're not allowed to touch me. You're not allowed to touch me. My father's the biggest lawyer in Manhattan. I guarantee if you touch me again, it's not gonna end well for you, bud. Let me in. Put me down. What, do you want to kiss me? This is romantic. My best friend was in the studio with Kendrick Lamar when he recorded Not Like Us. Now, do you want to let me in? Do you have any idea how much I got on my plate right now? Do you have any idea? My firm is being audited by the SEC for insider trading, which I know nothing about, and I need this. I need this. Let me in. Let me in, please. I need this. I'm not moving until you let me in, so you might as well let me in, otherwise I'm going to sit here all night. You're not going to do anything. I'm sitting right here until you let me in. That's it. Until you let me in.